I lost the fucking prop because I didn't screw my props down properly. And I thought that it was the wind, but I was wrong. Could not use it for the remainder of the trip. Found this unchained, and I think I'm going to risk it. I'm going to risk it. See if it floats. Let me stop playing because I still gotta get to Home Depot, so I could probably hopefully get the screws that I need for my drone.
because I'm pissed. All of my outdoor drones are down, and I literally lost one. I brought 3 outdoor drones with me. All 3 went down. Tragically. Tragic. So let me get out of here.
So tell me, gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. We could rent a room and watch the stars dance round the moon.
So I'm running out of sunlight. It's about 5:30 now, and I still got about an hour's hike in the opposite direction. But I have to backtrack because when I was bending over to take a photo, which I will post like now, I dropped my car keys. Now, if it was just house keys, I'll chalk it up instead of risking having to walk in the dark. But it's my car keys. All right, wish me luck. Fingers crossed. So, I think my phone connected to my keys. Let's see if I can find it. Made it back. Last car here. Please register.
The light is fading fast from this hotel, we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point